So today I'm going to show you how to make one of the easiest salad dressings that is basically made with pantry ingredients, and there's no reason why you shouldn't be making your own salad dressings. That's one thing I'm going to say. Those salad dressings that you see on the supermarket are with canola oil, they've got sugar in them, they've got a bunch of other stuff when you just don't, it's so easy to make a salad dressing. I'm going to show you guys how simple it is. So I have champagne vinegar. You could probably use red wine vinegar. You could use apple cider vinegar. Everyone has vinegar around the house. So what I do is it's 4 tablespoons. So I have this 2 tablespoon measurement, which I love. You could also use a 1/4 cup because that is 4 tablespoons. Dar. Anyway, I don't know why I just use these. I think it's just whatever. So it's, 4 tablespoons of champagne vinegar is what we love. And then 4 tablespoons, so it's equal parts, extra virgin olive oil. And you pour those in a little jar. The next ingredient is Celtic sea salt. Y'all know I love that. So I'm going to use a teaspoon of Celtic sea salt. So I'm going to just take this and then add it to, the oils in the vinegar. And then Dijon. So don't get Grey Poupon or whatever it is. It has sugar in it. You don't need sugar in your Dijon. Use Primal Kitchen. This brand's great. What it is water, organic mustard seeds, organic vinegar, salt, organic turmeric, and organic spices. That's it. Then you get a hit of turmeric, which is, come on, anti-inflammatory wonder spice, basically. So we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of, I love the sound mustard makes when it's like this, of Dijon mustard, and I will open up and get the next one out. I was near the end of my, when you get to the bottom of it and you have to really shake it. So I went in there and just grabbed that bad boy. And so I'm gonna put the 2nd teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And then it is the last thing, pantry ingredient. Who does not have pepper? I mean, come on. So we like it spicy. So I do about 12 to 15 twists. And then I try it with a piece of lettuce. And then I add more. Like once I give this a whisk, again, pepper is to taste. Let me get a whisk for you guys. And so what I'm gonna do is just whisk this bad boy up. It's literally a 5-minute pantry vinaigrette. Super easy, super yummy. It's got a kick of spice to it. So anyway, you saw how quick it was. Don't buy it anymore. I've got more dressing recipes too. This is game changer. Plus, you guys all love my kid friendly. That's awesome. So anyway, I'm gonna ask my husband, who's in the other room, Steve, what he thinks of this dressing. Steve, what do you think of the champagne vinegar dressing I make all the time?
I love that dressing. It's way better than collagen and coffee, that's for sure.
Okay, so he loves it better than collagen and coffee, but that's not saying a lot. He really actually loves this dressing. Every time I make it, he goes, what dressing is this again? This has got a kick. He loves it. So Steve approved. Yeah.
Spicy.
What? Spicy. He says spicy. It's spicy.